In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and start using Perplexity AI on Windows. If you're on Windows 10 or 11 and want a fast, reliable way to research, brainstorm, or get quick answers, this walkthrough will take you from the official website to your first prompt in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and head to the official Perplexity AI website. When the page loads, look for the Download for Windows option. It should clearly mention Windows 10 or 11. Click that download button to get the installer. Your browser may ask where to save the file. If it does, choose your downloads folder or just confirm the default. Then wait for the download to complete before moving on. Quick note while it's downloading. I've placed the official website and the Windows download link right at the top of the description to make this even easier. Always use the official link to avoid outdated or unofficial installers. Once the file has finished downloading, open your downloads folder and locate the installer. Double-click to launch it. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, select Yes. That's a normal security check for trusted installers. Next, follow the on-screen instructions in the setup wizard. If you see an option to choose an installation location, you can leave it at the default unless you prefer a custom folder. Click Next to proceed through the prompts, then install. This part may take a moment as the files are copied over. When the installer finishes, click Finish to close the setup. You should now see the Perplexity AI app in your start menu, and you might also have a desktop shortcut. If you plan to use it often, right-click the app and pin it to your taskbar for quick access. Go ahead and launch the app. If you already have an account and you're signed in, you can start right away. If not, you'll be prompted to sign in. Follow the on-screen login options and proceed securely. Once you're in, you're ready to explore. Now you can type questions, prompts, or topics into the app and interact with Perplexity AI. Be clear and specific in your prompts for the best results. And don't hesitate to refine your question if you want a deeper or more focused answer. You can keep the app running in the background, so it's ready whenever you need it. That's it. Downloaded, installed, and ready to use. The official link is at the top of the description if you need it. If this was helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.